Hey guys, just want to guess we'll get a little reply for what we've gone through for our class and our discussion and everything for Module 2. Um, well, like I think Laura said in one of her posts, like we have a lot of theories, and there's a lot of great ways we can like look up and use these theories for different things and stuff like that. So I really like that, and I really did enjoy that. Um, I would like to go first with like Cody. Cody talking about transition and the program with the 7 vectors. Those are like I think both of us being in first year residential areas as assistant residence coordinators. You see a lot how programming can help students and things like that. And programming can still help the non-traditional students. There's many non-traditional students that have to live on campus, and that can rate and programming boards have helped out. I know for a fact, there's a student veterans organization on campus, and they do a lot of programs. They get the students are well adjusted into the university setting because a lot of soldiers who do come to our university are getting used to. They had a whole different mentality when they're going, when they're enlisted and things like that. Then they come to the university and it's a totally different thing. And I feel like she was talking about with the transition theory, that a lot of, that it really. What people do get away to find out with them with different types of things like that, and also like with programming with first year residents. Without the programming, there isn't any learning opportunities, not leadership abilities. There's things that don't help them grow as a student because it keeps them involved. It keeps them also stay with the retention, like Tinto's retention theory. Involvement, engagement, is one of involvement and engagement. Without it. The student will leave a university and things like that, and it just shows how like Chicory and 7 vectors, the different types of things that we talked about in our class, kind of like correlate together, and they have a connection and things like that. Another thing I thought was a key point both Tammy and Gina both talked about was not every student is the same. Not every student is the same. I know there was Tammy. She was talking about standardized testing and things like that, and yes, like the thing is about these theories are really good theories for things like that, but good with understanding the commonalities and stuff. But you're right. Not many students are well in standardized testing. There's different opportunities. People grow and learn so many different facets and things, and you have to understand that these theories might not be they're not the end all be all. These are just the most commonly used, most like what scholars in the field like. And I agree that I can say yes, programming works, being involved works. There's students who just come in here and they have that passion, they have that effort. They just want to go through class, do the routine, and just go. And sometimes, and that's why I kind of agree with like standardized testing. There's many other ways we can test their intelligence and things like that. And I know with Gina. She was talking about the career model, like people, yes, these career models are not really the best thing in the world. Like yes, they'll show you what your job or what your mentality, if you're a touch, your feel, your things like that. And the thing, who knows what themselves are the students. The students know what they want to do, and us as advisors or members of the student affairs, we have to be the ones to work with them. And I agree exactly like the whole thing about the whole passion. They do have a passion. And usually when they have their passion, their development will continue on. But I hope you guys, like I said, this whole area we're talking about now, is a big part of development. How the student will develop in an area when they get into the universities. Even it shows what it does in K through 12. I think Laura brought up. Not only can they use this for higher education, they can use it for so many different things. I know one of my theories I believe I talked about was also explained about hospitals and different like evaluations and different types of things like that. So the mentality what we're learning will help us with our students, but in the end the students are completely individuals and they'll learn their ways. We're just going to be there to help them, we're not going to try to pigeonhole them like some theories can happen, but we're going to be there for them when they need us. But hope you guys like my prompt, and I hope I'll talk to you guys soon.